myself Rosmita from 40 News Times. The price of tomato and other vegetables have hit a new high in Odisha. While the price of tomato has crossed rupees 120 per kg, almost all vegetables are being sold over rupees 60 per kg in retail markets. Similarly, there has been a significant rise in the prices of beans and drumsticks. The retail price of beans, which was rupees 60, rupees 70 per kg last month, is now being sold at rupees 150 per kg. Drumstick was available at rupees 50, rupees 60 per kg in April, but now cost rupees 100, rupees 120 per kg. Okra, which was previously sold at rupees 35, rupees 40 per kg, is now available for rupees 60. While the cost of brinjal has doubled, the prices of cabbage, bitter gourd, rice gourd and pumpkin have also increased. Ginger and garlic have become costly item in the market. Ginger is being sold at rupees 250, rupees 280 per kg, while garlic is priced at rupees 200 per kg. Chinmay Sahu, a homemaker, expressed concern over the soaring prices of tomato, green chilies and vegetables. Almost all the vegetables have become unaffordable. It is difficult for a middle class family to survive in this situation. This sudden increase in vegetable price has affected our budget. She complained, "We are helpless as traders have to buy the vegetable at a higher price and sell it accordingly," said Kuna Behera, a vegetable trader. Odisha Chhatra Congress President Yasir Nawaz said, "The common man has been hit by the price rise. He is struggling for survival. We are now facing such a situation as the state failed to come out with a policy on how to promote the agriculture sector. This state does not have adequate cold storage facilities. It's because of the faulty policy of the state government that nearly 82 out of the 131 cold storage in the state have become defunct. Now the poor and middle class are paying the price for it," stating that both the Navin Patnaik government and the Narendra Modi government are hand in glove. Yasir said, "The price of petroleum product is increasing almost every day. It has a direct impact on the vegetable market too. Because of the GST burden, the price of dal and edible oil has also been increased. No one is able to see the plight of the poor and middle class. Currently, vegetables are being sold for between rupees 60 and rupees 140 at various places in the state. Tomatoes are beyond the reach of the common man. The budget of every household has now gone for a toss because of the price rise of vegetables. Not only vegetables, the retail price of ginger has increased from about rupees 140 per kg to rupees 300 in a fortnight, and brinjal from rupees 30 to rupees 80 per kg around the same time. Other vegetables have also seen a rise of 40 to 80% over the past 15 days, said another Congress leader Prakash Mishra. The Student Congress sold tomatoes at rupees 50 per kg and brinjal at rupees 30 per kg. In order to mention a law and order situation, the state government deployed a police force at the official residence of the agriculture minister. The minister is yet to react to the issue.
मोदी कृत नवीन कृत दरदाम वृद्धि भल चाषी होउची अच्छे दिन कथा कही जो भली भाव नवीन एवं मोदीकृत दरदाम वृद्धि प्रतिवाद रे आज मंत्री घर आगे प्रतिवाद करुचु कारण आज जो अभावनीय परिस्थिति सृष्टि होती देश और राज्य रे आकाश छुआ दर वृद्धि पाई केवल नवीन बाबू और नरेंद्र मोदी यापाई दायी। आज साधारण लोक मैंने केवल भात डाली खाई रोचंती कारण जो हाट को परिवा किणे जाउछंती घर कांदी कांदी फेरुचंती। बारंबार प्रतिवाद होउची दाबी होउची किंतु सरकार तरफ पार्टी फिटू नहीं कि या पर पदक्षेप निया जाऊ नहीं। आमे बारंबार दाबी करके आसीचु ए वर्ष पूर्वर ए टमाटो किलो टंकाटे जे चाषी हाटर फपाड़ी के आसुले आज टमाटो 150 टंका पार केमिति हला काहेकि हला आपे दायी किए कारण आज ओडिशा रे शीतल भंडार करि नाहांती
सचेतन नुहंती एवं नियंत्रण करने प्रयास करना ना ए बाबद 5T सचिव कहते ना मुख्यमंत्री कहते ना कृषि मंत्री कहते सौदा दर से भाव में बढ़ी जाइए डाली आज 200 तेल 200 साधारण खाउटे सौदा हाट को परिवा हाट को बेग नहीं जाई कांदी कांदी फेरुଛି परिवार चलिबो केमिति। छात्र कांग्रेस यार प्रतिवाद करुच्ची
जो रेट है खाई हम बाहर कि जो सस्तार बिकुन कांग्रेस वाला आ नहीं जा किले किले घर को नहीं जा टमाटो किले बैगन किले लंका 500 टमाटो 50 टंका आज्ञा 50 टंका किलो मार्केट 120 अच्छी।
नवीन बाबू का भल चाष कथा कहते भल चाषी 400 किलो नवीन बाबू भल चाष सत्य आज ओडिशा रे साधारण लोक छात्र कांग्रेस जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद मोदी नवीन हाय शासन गादी रही शासन गादी रही